Without analyzing the activities and results, we can grow. That's why dashboards and reports are one of my favorite functionalities in HubSpot, and today I want to show you how you can build a dashboard for a CEO of a small company. Welcome to HubSpot Tips and Tricks. I'm Jasna from Actuado, and today I'll explain how to prepare a dashboard for a CEO in HubSpot. There are a few predefined dashboards in HubSpot, for example, for marketing and sales, but you can also create one from scratch. And today I will show you how to create one for a CEO of a small company. Go to Reports and select Dashboards. Click Create Dashboard and you'll see the preset dashboards for CMS, marketing, sales, service, and target accounts, but we're going to choose Create a Blank Dashboard. As you can see, you can add reports to this dashboard, and I suggest you select the report library and familiarize yourself with a ton of different reports available. Each report has a clear explanation, and maybe it makes sense for your company to include it. But let me show you the dashboard we recently created for a CEO of a small company, where the idea was to pick the most relevant reports that the CEO would review each day on their dashboard. Then we also created additional dashboards which dive deeper into marketing and sales. When you create a dashboard, you can set it as private or for specific users or teams to view and/or edit. You can also just leave it for everyone in your HubSpot portal to access it. Now let's take a look at the reports we have chosen for that CEO. Their dashboard is a mix of reports from both sales and marketing. At the top are some of the sales metrics that are important to them, like deals won this month and deals lost this month. Then we have open deals set to close this month, activity leaderboard by sales rep because it's a KPI in their company. A really important report is deals created totals versus goals. On the right side, you can see the average purchase value followed by time in deal stages and open deals expected to close this month. These reports are followed by marketing reports. Website visit, new contact, and customer totals by day. Website visit traffic sources by day. Session totals with percentage of new and mobile sessions. Email engagement. Web sessions quality by source. New contact conversions by first conversion. Top landing pages by submission. And then there are two that we cannot see very well, and it would make sense to resize them. They are session totals by country and new contacts by source. On the right side, we can see blog posts by most total views, and below that, website traffic. As you can see, you can completely customize the dashboard, drag and drop reports, and resize them. In each report, you can change the date range, and in some, you can also change frequency. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments or send an email to hubspot@actuado.com. Like, subscribe, and share our videos.